Here, this snake looks beautiful, but it's extremely dangerous. Meet the limestone eyelash pit viper, a rare venomous snake found in limestone forests of Southeast Asia. The spiky eyelashes above its eyes break up its outline, making it almost invisible among rocks and leaves. Like other pit vipers, it can sense body heat, striking prey in total darkness with terrifying accuracy. It doesn't chase. It waits, perfectly still, then injects venom that shuts down its prey in seconds. In nature, the most beautiful creatures are often the deadliest.